to my studio. I'm Wendy O'Brien. Thanks for dropping by. Today I'll be completing an original artwork using Copic markers with a bit of colored pencil at the end. Though it's a bit of a departure from my usual style, I love to use Copics. Creating an original art piece and watching it come to life all in one day is very satisfying, unlike other mediums where it takes days to complete from start to finish. If you'd like to see more artwork or tutorials with Copics, let me know in the comments below. This piece was inspired by a daily prompt from the sketchbook calendar. Upon coming across this DJ Giraffe prompt, I instantly knew what I wanted to do. What better way to represent a DJ Giraffe than by revisiting the typical 80s dance party DJ. This is represented by the color palette I chose to use in this piece. The bright fluorescent blues, pinks, greens, and yellows. Not to mention that big G necklace. This was so fun to create, and I love the way it turned out. At the end, I did use a bit of colored pencil for some shading on the giraffe and ultimately decided that I should have just used Copics. I also used a white gel pen to outline, highlight, and bring focus to the main subject. All in all, I really enjoyed completing this original artwork and look forward to creating more often with my Copics. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos, tutorials, and live streams. Until next time, keep on arting! Bye!